In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and stream using Restream, an excellent platform for broadcasting simultaneously across multiple channels. Let's get started from the Restream home screen. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to create a new stream. Click on this, as this is your gateway to starting a fresh, exciting broadcast. After clicking New Stream, you'll be presented with two options: Studio or Encoder, RTMP. The choice here depends on your particular setup and preferences. If you're looking to use Restream's built-in streaming capabilities, Studio is your go-to. However, if you have a more intricate setup or wish to use external software, Encoder, RTMP will serve your purpose better. Review your setup needs and make a choice that aligns with your streaming vision. Moving forward, we reach the crucial step of filling out your stream details. Here, you'll come across fields for the title, description, and thumbnail of your stream. These components are essential as they define how your audience will perceive your stream at first glance. Start with the thumbnail by uploading an image that represents your stream effectively. Remember, a visually appealing thumbnail can attract more viewers, so ensure it's as engaging as possible. The recommended size for your thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels, which ensures high resolution and clarity. Once you've chosen the perfect image, go ahead and upload it, watching as your stream takes on a professional look. Next, enter a title that captures the essence of your stream. This title should be both informative and catchy, drawing potential viewers in. Then, craft a description that provides a bit more insight into what your stream is about. The description is a great place to highlight key features or topics you'll be covering, offering that extra push to get audience members to click and watch. With all your stream details filled in and your dazzling thumbnail in place, it's time to toggle your destination channels. This means selecting all the platforms where you want your stream to be broadcasted. These can include popular channels like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and more. Make sure you toggle them on, ensuring your stream reaches the widest possible audience. Finally, you have two paths. Either create the event to schedule it for later, or start the stream immediately. Both options are easily accessible, so choose whichever fits your schedule best. Now, if you've already created your stream or event, and you decide that the thumbnail needs an update before going live, don't worry. It's an easy fix. Simply locate your stream card and look for the three dots menu. Click on it and choose Update Titles Details. From there, upload your new thumbnail, and just like that, your stream is refreshed and ready to go. Remember, with each step on Restream, you're bringing your content closer to the world, connecting directly with your audience across various platforms. This setup process is designed to make your streaming life easier and more effective. Happy streaming!